Okay, hi everybody. Again, I have been working a bit on this knife in this knife making saga, and my knife is almost finished. I haven't done very much since you've seen it before, but I have corrected some things. I have put some extra epoxy here in the front, and I have grinded a bit and so on. It's almost finished. And now I have started to make my sheath for this knife, and I have used a pattern from paper like this, and then I have used this to make a piece of leather like this, and this is supposed to be my sheath for this knife. And you can see I have made some holes and so on already, and there it is where I'm going to stitch it together. And here I have a small piece of leather that will be between both sides. So what it's gonna be look like is like this, and the knife will fit into it like that, and I will stitch this with a black very strong thread. I have also made this for this loop here so you can carry the sheath in the belt on your pants, and it will be like this. So there are 5 holes where I'm going to stitch it to the larger piece of leather. Yeah, that's where I am right now. And I have used some tools for this, of course. I have used this one. I don't exactly sure what it's named in English, but I use it to make lines and also decide the distance between every hole here, so it looks the same all the way. I have also cut a thin line here with a scalpel, so the thread will be sink in a bit into the leather. I have made some holes, and that have I done with this too. It's a very sharp one, an edgy one. So this is where I am right now, and I will be back for you when this is a bit more finished. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, here I am again. Since the last time I have stitched my sheath, and it now looks like this. It's okay, I think. I had wanted to make a double stitching here, but because of the smallness of this sheath, I think it's better with just one stitch. I have to mold this one now. It's not finished yet, so what I have to do is to mold it as I said, so it will be more fit for the knife. The knife can be falling out of the sheath pretty easy. So next time you see this one, it will have a more shape like the knife. But this is how far I am right now, and you're welcome back later on. Okay then, thanks.